nothing scarier than images of waters rising, cutting off roadways, and destroying homes. And if you feel like you see these stories happening more frequently, you're right. Over the past 50 years, we have experienced a 20% increase in heavy downpours as a result of global climate change. We've also seen an increase in hurricanes specifically, which often cause flooding. It is estimated that our nation's floodplains, the areas considered in threat of floods, will increase by 40 to 45% in the next century. Floods can cause extreme devastation and loss of life, loss of property, and financial losses. And while modern storms tend to cause more costly damage as there are more costly things to destroy, some of the deadliest storms happened in prior centuries. People didn't have the technology to escape them. Let's look at some of the deadliest floods that have occurred in the United States and some of the massive changes they brought. Types of floods. There are three main types of floods. Coastal floods, also known as storm surges. These usually occur when a high tide coincides with an intense storm, such as a hurricane or a tsunami, forcing large amounts of water on shore. River floods, also known as fluvial floods. These occur when the water level of a lake or river overflows the surrounding lands. These are often caused by excessive rain or snowfall. Flash floods, also known as pluvial floods. These occur when extreme precipitation causes a flood independent of a body of water. These can happen anywhere, including in urban areas when the drainage system or dams are overflowed. Floods to the top three for each type of flood. Reducing the number of lives lost by criteria. Floods are the most devastating. Worst coastal floods. Primarily due to hurricanes, these are the worst storm surges to ever affect the United States. Galveston Island storm of 1900. Lives lost, 8,000 people. Property damage, $1.5 billion. On September 8, 1900, a hurricane hit Galveston Island off the coast of Texas. The barrier island was at the time a thriving port city and business center with a population of around 37,000. The storm in 1900 led to a 15-foot storm surge that flooded the city and cut it off from the mainland. When rescuers were able to reach the island 2 days later, they found homes and businesses destroyed and thousands dead. The ultimate death toll is not truly known, but it is estimated that 8,000 people lost their lives. 10,000 more were left homeless and $1.5 billion adjusted for inflation and damages were done. It is regarded as the deadliest natural disaster in U.S. history, too.
نعدل السيارة يدخل رجال عدل السيارة يعوض الله خير لا إله إلا الله أنا مسكت بعضها كان يمسك بعضها